Well, as you can see in the old MDL legend, we are. A lot of snow's been fucking melting. It's just so fucking Puppy dog, calm down, puppy dog. I'm not coming for you yet. We get tons of things. I want to do tons of things, but I don't know if I can accomplish all of them today. The first thing we're gonna do is go in here. We're gonna do a fucking Minty old cold start, if we can. Oh. Fucking safety pieces of shit. No. Battery connection's completely fucked. Fuck. Guess we ain't doing a cold start on that thing. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my keys. Or my truck, I guess. Let's see this way. Ouch. Wanna know the difference between, No! Hush! We're shine quickly. Go and shine quickly. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? There are my keys. Now that just doesn't pucker up your butt, huh? I don't know what will. We're gonna do a fucking Minty old cold start on this bitch. Shut the fuck up, radio. Oh, there we go. Sound that? Sound that? Oh, we got chooch going on. Fucking admit, you don't need oil pressure. You can tell that it has oil pressure when it's not making a bunch of fucking noise and it's making tons of fucking noise up in the engine bay. Then you know you don't have oil pressure. And yeah, you don't need oil. You don't need oil. Oil just lubricates things. You just want to go in and dry. You want to go in dry. Have a good one.